The PinPoint III hub will get mounted in different locations on different sprayers. There'll be a sheet in your kit that shows the general location of where the hub should be mounted. This is important because, for instance, on this sprayer, the hub is offset on one side of the boom. So the extensions on one side of the boom could be shorter than the extensions on the other side of the boom. So you always want to double check that on the side that the hub is on, that those extensions are shorter or equal to the extensions on the other side of the boom. You also want to see where your battery harness and other harnesses coming from your flow meter or your chassis harness or your pressure sensor, how all those kind of flow to the hub, and just make sure they flow in a good spot to make it look nice. On a 2018 to 2021 Hagee, the hub will get mounted. If you're looking from the front of the sprayer to the back, they'll get mounted right here. On a 2014 to 2017 Hagee, it'll get mounted vertically right here. There'll be a bracket here that you'll have to turn. That'll be in the directions. On a Miller Nitro or New Holland, depending on what boom it has on it, it could get mounted. There's a flat spot in the boom right here that'll get mounted horizontally, or there might be a bracket here that'll get mounted vertically, but that'll be in the directions depending on what boom you have. If this were a rear boom sprayer, such as a 4730 or 4830 John Deere, any 30 series John Deere, it'll get mounted high and center. On like 4630s, it might be high and right. That'll be in the directions of your sprayer. On a fence sprayer, it'll get mounted low and left. There'll be some U-bolts that you will mount to some square tubing. On a Case IH Patriot, it'll be pretty much the middle of the middle. There'll be a spot to mount it right in the center of the center rack. All of that should be in your install instructions. If you have any questions, please get a hold of your local Capstan rep.